All right, make sure to notice that the left graph is the horizontal component x, whereas the right graph is the rate of change of the vertical component y prime. So we're asking for an expression that represents the length of the portion of the curve. We're looking for an arc length, and we know how to find that. This is our formula. The definite integral of the square root of x prime squared plus y prime squared. All right, this is from 1 to 3. So on the graphs, we can only focus on the region as t goes from 1 to 3. All right, we need x prime, which is the slope of x. This is dx dt from 1 to 3, and the slope is a constant. And what is that slope? Rise 1, 2, down, and 1 to the right. 1, 2 down, and 1 to the right. So we can easily see that the slope there is negative 2 over 1. So x prime of t, which is the slope of x with respect to t, is negative 2 over 1. So that leaves us with y prime of t. And y prime of t is what this graph represents. So what is the rate of change of y as t goes from 1 to 3? It's not a constant. The output in this graph is the rate of change of y. So at 1, the rate of change of y was 2. And at 2, the rate of change of y was 3. So y is changing faster and faster as we move to the right. At 3, the rate of change of y is 4. So how can we represent y prime of t, the rate of change of y, as t goes from 1 to 3? Well, in every case, it was the y value. So we just need the equation of this line right here. We can find that real easily in slope-intercept form, because the slope of this line is rise 1, run 1. Rise 1, run 1. The slope is 1 over 1. And the vertical intercept b is 1. So y prime on the interval from 1 to 3 is just the equation of this line, x plus 1. Y prime equals x plus 1. All right, let's just expand this binomial, combine like terms, and we'll have it. Now, somehow I slipped into using x's when this equation was an equation of y as a function of t. So this is t plus 1, t plus 1, t squared plus 2t plus 1. And when we combine these, we have t squared plus 2t plus 5. There's no half. That's for areas. T squared plus 2t plus 5. From 1 to 3. There it is, choice B.